Anurag sir, tell me something. Architecture itself is a very niche area in India, right?
Yeah.
And there's always a confusion around civil engineers and architecture, and people sometimes look at both together as synonyms. So, how different is what you're doing from the real estate industry?
Uh, the first thing I would like to answer that about architecture and civil engineering.
Right,
These are two very basic different streams in construction, and there is a very clear guideline which demarcates their uh, I'm sorry. It clearly demarcates of what they want, matlab, what they have to do in the while they are designing the building, right?
correct, correct,
By in the building process, there is a very clear demarcation between what an architect does and what a civil engineer does.
correct.
There is a very clear demarcation. The demarcation is the architect is the concept and the design brain behind the building,
Right,
right?
right,
And the civil engineer is the executor, right? So the whole evolution of the building is done by an architect, and the execution is done by the civil engineer
right.
as per the kind of concept that has been created by an architect. So there is a very clear guideline or a demarcation that is there in a building process where the architect's role and where is the civil engineer's role. But what has happened is we have created gray areas. Architects have jumped into the civil engineering areas and the civil engineers have jumped into the architects areas, right? So this makes it very complicated in this country. In India, we don't know who is actually the architect. So most of the architects are called engineers
Correct.
because most of the architects are called engineers. When you go to the site, they generally call you as engineers ki engineer saab aa gaye. They will never call you architect because architects spelling architect is so difficult for कोई architect बुलाता है, कोई architect बुलाता है, कोई architect बुलाता है. तो ये जो confusion है ये because क्योंकि civil engineers numbers in India is far more than what architects numbers are in this country.